Hello, hi guys, welcome you all to the Devops Delight YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see yet another Code Cloud engineer task. I am here on the Chrome browser. On search bar, let me type engineer.codecloud.com/login. I directly got this tasks UI because I auto-saved my password username. In your case, it may differ. It will prompt you to enter your username and password. Once you have given those details, you will also get the same screen as like me. In this video, we will see save, load, and a transfer Docker image task. Let me click on the start button. It may take 1 or 2 minutes to load our task. Meanwhile, I'm skipping the video here for a while. Okay, we got our task. First, let me read the task, then we will look at the solution. One of the DevOps team members was working on to create a new custom Docker image on App Server 1 in Stratos DC. He is also done with his changes and images is saved on same server with the name e-commerce DevOps. Recently, a requirement has been raised by a team to use that image for testing, but the team wants to test the same on App Server 3. So we need to provide them that image on App Server 1 in Stratos D. And App Server 1 save the image e-commerce DevOps in an archive. Transfer the image archive to App Server 3. Load the image archive on App Server 3 with the same name and the tag which was used on App Server 1. Note, Docker is already in state servers. However, if its service is down, please make sure to start it. Okay, so here they are asking us to save an image named e-commerce with the tag DevOps in an archive in the App Server 1, and then we need to transfer that image archive to App Server 3. Later on we need to load that image archive on App Server 3 with the same name and the tag whatever we used in the App Server 1. Okay, since they are asking us to save the image on App Server 1, we need to log into App Server 1. For that, first, let me click on these details of all users and servers button here on top right to get the credentials of App Server 1. Okay, this is the password, this is the username, and this is the server name for the App Server 1. Let me copy the password. Let me go back here. SSH, and then Tony is the username, and stapp01 is the password. Sorry, server name. Let me type yes, and this is the password. Now we are inside the App Server 1. Let me clear the screen. So first let me see the Docker presence by giving the docker --- version command. Get Docker is there. Now let me do the Docker images to list out all the images present in this particular server. I can able to see two images present named e-commerce and Ubuntu with the tags DevOps and test. Here wanted to save the image on App Server 1, right? So this is the command that we have to use. Docker image save and then the name of it. See, if you see it here, why we use Docker save? Docker save one or more images to a tar archive. Okay, for that reason we are going to use the Docker save command. So now what I am going to do is Docker image save, where we need to save it /tmp, and they are asking as an archive, right? So let me keep the e-commerce as a name as it is, and then tar archive. So it is e-commerce :DevOps. Okay, this is the name of the image whatever present in the server. Right now we are trying to archive this. So archive this image named e-commerce with the tag DevOps to save the terminal. Okay, sorry, need to use Docker's image save -o. Enter Docker save go slash or e-commerce dot e-commerce e-commerce with the tag of Devops. Output temporary directory. There is no tar directory. It should be temporary. Yes, now it is saved. If we give the Docker images, now we should be able to see. Okay, here it is fine. Let me go to cd/tmp and then let me do the crypt.tar /tmp and let's see here e-commerce.tar is there. Okay, now the same way we need to transfer this image archive to app server 3. So in order to transfer, we need to have a app server 3 details. Let me go back here and get those details. Copy the password. Banner is the username and stapp03 is the server name for it. What I will do is SSH and banner stapp03, enter, type yes. Press the password. Okay, before logging into this particular server, we need to transfer the image, right? In order to transfer the image, we have something called as SCP. The SCP-help. The SCP, and from where we need to transfer, we need to transfer the archive to app server 3. So what I'm going to do is stmp e-commerce dot tar to the banner. You need to give the target server username is the banner and then server name, that is stapp03, and the place where we need to transfer these are. Okay, let me keep it in /tmp directory. It is asking for the password, so let me go back here, copy here and then come back here, paste it, enter. It is transferring. Yes, it is transferred. Now let me try to log in into the app server 3. SSH banner @stapp03, enter. Let me paste the password, enter. Now we are inside the app server 3. If you observe here, this app server 3, earlier it was app server. Let me clear the screen. Now let me go back to /tmp. We should be able to see e-commerce.tar. Now let me load that image archive with the same name and tag which was used on app server 1. For that, what I'm going to do is docker load -help. Okay, load an image from a tar archive or stdn. Docker load, let me do the docker load, and in order to load it we need to have some input, right? Docker load -i /tmp /e-commerce .tar. This is the name that we have to give. That is what they are saying. Load the image archive on app server 3 with the same name and tag. It is loading. Yes, image is loaded. So let me do the Docker images now. See, we should be able to see it. Okay. Basically, we did 3 steps here. First one is inside the app server 1, we saved the image named e-commerce with the tag of Devops as an archive. Later on, we transfer that image archive to the app server 3 into the /tmp directory. And then we log into the app server 3, and inside app server 3 we load that image archive. Okay, that is what we did. As we have completed the task, let me click on this check button to validate our work. Click on confirm. It may take 1 or 2 minutes. We'll just wait for a while. System is evaluating our work. Yes, we did it correct. Congratulations. That's it for this video, guys. See you in another video with yet another coding cloud engineer task. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing. Please let me know in the comments in case you are having any queries related to any coding cloud engineer task or any DevOps tool and cloud technology. Thank you.